Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 28, simple equations, section B, tough. Let's start. Ram's father's age is 5 more than 3 times Ram's age. Ram's father is 50 years old. Form an equation to find Ram's age. You have to only form an equation, you don't want the answer. So let Ram's age be x. Now 3 times it's given, 3 times, so 3x. Now 5 more, so 3x plus 5. So what is this? This is Ram's father's age. But what is that given? That is 50. So 3x plus 5 equals to 50. Only this much is asked in the as per the question. But if you want to solve it, you solve this and you'll get x equals to 15. Next, answer the following. We have 3 subparts now in this question. Each one is similar to that of the earlier one we solved, 20th one. I'll go fast now in these 3 because it's a repeat. Arjun's father's age is 5 years more than 4 times Arjun's age. Find Arjun's age if his father's age is 45. Arjun's age x, 4x plus 5 equals to 45, 4x equals to 40, so x equals to 10. Similar to earlier one, so fast. Ramesh says he has 8 notebooks more than 4 times the number of notebooks Anuj has. Ramesh has 68 notebooks. How many notebooks Anuj has? Let Anuj have x books. So 4x plus 8 equals to 68. It's given. So 4x equals to 8 this side. 60. X equals to 15. So Anuj has 15 books. Varun says he has 11 erasers more than 5 times the number of erasers Samir has. Varun has 66 erasers. How many erasers does Samir have? Let Samir have x erasers. So 5 times 5x plus 11 equals to 66. Solve this. 11 this side. 5x equals to 50. X equals to 11. Samir has 11 erasers. Next. In a quiz, 50 prizes consist of first and second prizes only are to be given. If first prize and second prizes are worth 2,500 and 1,500 respectively, if the total prize money is 85,000, then the equation formed is here. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.